kang magwawagi sa buhay. Paano? Kailangan slow and consistent.
We are having this kind of event para mapakita natin sa mga brokers and sellers natin kung gaano sila ka-appreciated for us. Because honestly, Demeterland wouldn't be here if wala din sila with us.
Siyempre, hindi dahil sa Demeterland talaga. Binigyan kami ng opportunity dito.
So pag-uusapan natin yung word na momentum. Everybody say momentum. Alam mo, napaka-importante talaga sa larangan ng sales na may momentum. Do you agree? Alam mo, pag may benta, may benta. Pag wala, wala. Tama o mali?
And then, siguro sipag din, sipag at syaga. Talagang lagi ako nag-check kung ano, ganyan, sa mga client.
Very honored din si Demeterland na si Mr. Chinquetan is inallow or it's our pleasure talaga na makasama siya dito sa aming semi-annual event.
Okay lang ba magkwento ng konti bago tayo mag-start? Di ba, totoo lang, kung may pera ka, marami kang kaibigan at kamag-anak. Pag wala kang pera, wala ka ng kaibigan at kamag-anak. Therefore, in English, money is indeed very relative. The more money you have, the more relatives. No money, no relatives.
I'm pretty sure having Mr. Chinquetan here would be a great success din, not just for us, of course, para din sa mga brokers and sellers natin. Kasi I'm pretty sure maraming masishare na wisdom and knowledge si Mr. Chinquetan na for sure is ma-apply din namin and of course our brokers and sellers for themselves.
And once you achieve result, you will build what? Momentum. In life, it doesn't really matter how many times you fail. What really matters how many times you pick yourself up. Asan sa tamang pagpapasya sa araw na ito? Kasi if you always live in the past, you become a prisoner of your past. You cannot change the past, but you can sure change the future by making the right decision today. Four times 2. 8 times 2. But pare-pareho sagot natin despite of our educational background, it doesn't really matter. As long as you know the system of multiplication, you will get the same answer and result. Agree? What does it mean? If you know the system of the rich, you follow the system of the rich, you will also get the same answer and result. Wala ba kayong mga kamay dyan? Gusto ko na kayo saktan! Hindi, nagigits nyo. Posible.